Gary.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
I had done it, Patrick, but I hadn't shaved enough off this side.
Hey.
No, it's good. It's good. It's good.
How much do you want to kill me?
No, only a little bit.
I'm grinding now.
Okay. So Gary's got to make engine mounts. He's got to do actual structural work. You have got to be...
So you need
grind him.
Tom's back. What you got?
They're the early grills, which you can't get, pet.
Oh, nice.
So basically, you have to rework these to get them to go in.
Wow. That looks so good.
Cutting razor subframe, 75mm, do you reckon it was? 75, 80mm?
80mm.
Yeah.
It's lifted, yeah.
So that's so that we can go maximum lows, because we want to low frame, but we want to go low. The back is doable. We've narrowed the rear beams, just a 240 rear beam going in. And then just so that we didn't come across any problems later on down the line, we've raised the front as well, so that it will
go flat.
It will literally go flat, go on the floor. So classic styling, silly power,
And low.
and yeah, low, and really low.
Don't break it, otherwise you'll owe me a 12-second car. Okay, Thomas.
We need certain bits off of this one that came off the Amazon to go on to that one. Basically, Gary's the clever man, I do the cutty stuff. I make it look good. This is all in preparation to go maximum low. So Gary's work is a combination of a few things. Maximum lows, horsepower.
Horsepower?
Horsepower, yeah. That's more than horsepower. It's like powerful horsepower.
Wow.
Horsepower. Sunroof, isn't it?
Yeah. Hello!
I'm going to make a right mess of this.
A few inches later.
What are you doing?
I had done it, Patrick, but I hadn't shaved enough off this side.
I'm just pointing at it.
Several days later.
Good day today. So we're going to GM Bodycraft with Road and Race Logistics. We're going to pick up the Volvo. So Gary has done all of the fabrication that he needs to do. So I've not been there for 4 or 5 days, and it was motoring on then. I'm really excited. So we're going with Christian, we're going down there, loading it up, and then taking it to Uncle Phil at the install company to go maximum low. Team Tom. Can I say that, yeah?
Huh?
Can I say Team Tom, yeah?
Yeah.
Team Tom.
Do you want to give us a quick little rundown, or should Gary give us a rundown?
Gary should give you a rundown.
Hi Gary.
Hi. So,
Gary's been busy.
Gary
I've been a
has
little bit busy this week. Yeah.
Where do we start?
I could do with sleep.
Where do we start?
So, fabricated up a tunnel and threw it in. made a nice little sort of making this a feature to like get this polished up, and then we're going to put a rose joint here to hold that, sort of make it like steampunk kind of look, I suppose. Put the seat bars in, a couple of little strengtheners, ticked in all the like the load nuts for the seat.
Oh my goodness.
4-link is in, ready to go, and the tunnel's got to be that big because the diff sort of wants to go that high.
All right then.
So are we saying thanks Gary and goodbye,
Thanks,
Gary?
Thanks, Gary. Goodbye,
Thanks.
Gary.
Bye, Team Tom. Peace out.
Gary, don't go.
Oh,
We'll bring you back. We'll bring you back because we can go. We can.
Gary.
Yeah.
Hi, Phil.
I love it. Yeah, I'm into it. Gary's done a spectacular job on the inside so far. So I'm liking that. I'm interested to see whether your back seat will fit or whether you've changed your plan for that.
It's the biggest pain in the arse that Gary's given me. I can't cover it up now, can I?
No. Not easily.
It is in there. Sweet. Yeah, see what you mean about the steering rack?
Yeah.
That's
That's a you issue now.
that's an interesting concept. I don't know what you want me to do with that. Okay, good.
Surprise!
Yeah, that's okay. And there.
We don't need steering yet. We just need lows. We can't steer when we're low anyway. So
You don't need
Is that
steering.
your theory,
You don't need
is it?
steering to do it, but
if I'm low enough, the front will stay
Holding the rope
straight.
and just steer
The
itself.
front will stay straight.
And you just
and
steer
like
with
the
the
rear up.
Just steer with the rear. Perfect.
Easy. Yeah, the problem is.
I did hear that steering was overrated, so I mean.
Yeah, it's absolutely
You
overrated.
know,
Using the original gear shift. Using the original gear shift throws up some problems.
Yeah, I think on that second you're gonna
Lose all momentum and power.
you may have lost your brop to
You're
that
right,
point.
I'll just start in second.
Okay.
A generic insert modified new car here.
Yeah, it'd be boring. There's no fun
Right,
in that. That's what I mean.
exactly.
So there's no fun. There's no
There's
challenge.
your battery. What more do you want?
I don't want anything, mate. I am pleased. Now, when I get on the ramp, might not be, but now, pleased.
Run. So this is the end of the video. Phil's being cool, look. So we're at Uncle Phil's, where you're not allowed to use the camera. We've dropped the car off from Gary's. Christian's done that, so thank you, Christian. With you.
The install company time.
Yeah, so Phil's now, well not now, because he's obviously busy, but at some point gonna now get the ramp, get the car on the ramp, assess what, because it's gonna be custom stuff, assess what we need to speak to with airlift, get our management straightforward, but see what bags we need, and then Bilstein struts.
Yep.
So we'll see what we need to them so we can place that order. Basically now, Phil's got a fantastic paperweight that doesn't steer.
This is perfect.
Welcome.
I work on
you
my
need
own.
that. And it can't go outside.
That's it. Can't go outside in the rain, like today. Doesn't steer. Work on my own. Should be super easy to move about then. I don't see any problems at all.
Aren't you glad to be Team Tom?
Yeah, I'm so glad I got involved. Anywho.
So, are you excited?
We'll see you in the next episode.
Excited.
We're going to go and eat lunch, Team Tom.
Didn't say it.
Are you going to say Team Tom?
You know better than that.
Come on.
I've told you before I'm impartial. Team Meguiars.
He's Team Tom.